Okay, so hi firsters, this is the question that we had to have done there for the last day. And again, the arrow is pointing to the left for the elevation, so we put the elevation on the left. So we just write in there, look, ELEVTION. The plan goes underneath, and the end elevation over here to the side. Okay, now you can put that, if you like, in between two lines that are going to be 4 millimeters apart, and it'll keep everything nice and tidy. So for the purpose of the elevation, you're going to measure over 10 millimeters, and you're going to put a vertical line going down the page. So that's 10 millimeters over. Yours is going to be a lot neater because you'll have your T-square and Z-square. Then 10 millimeters over for the end elevation, away from the XY line. So this here, sorry, this is the YY line, my bad. And this here is the XY line, the horizontal line. That 10 millimeter line then gets brought down at 45 degrees and then straight across. Now, a couple of mistakes that were being made there in the couple of questions that I corrected was that people were making their elevation and their end elevation floating. They were measuring up 10 millimeters from the XY line. No need for that. Okay, so the next thing, I'm just going to use a red line here to distinguish the vertical distances. We're going to measure over 25 millimeters vertical line down the elevation in the plan, another 25, and another 25. And there are the measurements that are going across the back here, like so, and they total 75. So 25, 25, 25. Because they're the same width in elevation in the plan, you can extend them down for the length of the elevation of the plan, and you're saving yourself a bit of hassle. Then the width of the plan, I'm just going to use maybe a green to show you where they are, 25, 25, and 50. So what we're going to do in the plan is we're going to measure down 25, stop it at the YY line, which is the heaviest line on the page. The XY and the YY line, very heavy lines, weight wise, and then down 25 there as well. So down 25 and another 25 there. Distances across 25, 25, and 25. Okay, so then what we're going to do, and I'm just going to use maybe an orange line, bring those lines up at 45 degrees, and that saves you having to measure the 25 and the 25 here again. It'll automatically be 25 if you're using the 45 degree angle, like so. Okay, heights. So the heights then in the elevation, just use a purple line. Again, they are shown here on the side of the drawing, 25 and 25. So you're going to measure up 25 and 25 for the length of the elevation and the end elevation. And then it's just a matter of heavying in your views. Now I'm just going to use a black pen here. So when I look in at the elevation, I can see that line in heavy. So that line there, look, is heavy. Now I'm just going to maybe way of undoing. Here we go. That line is heavy. Up the side, heavy. The clearly defined edge, you heavy in. Notice how the elevation so far isn't floating off the XY line. The next line is going to be represented there. The next line coming vertically down. The next line horizontally across. The next line vertically down. Now we have the face here. I'm just going to put X in the middle of the face there. That is also going to be a clearly defined face. So how we represent that in the elevation is like so. And that is our elevation complete. Our end elevation, which when we're looking in from the direction of the arrow B, we're going to see this face, and this face. So how we highlight those is like so. And a clearly defined edge there again, look, when you're looking in the direction of arrow B, means that that line there is heavy. The plan, looking down from overhead. So any yellow surface is like two interlocking L's, if you like, for the plan. And that's going to be represented in plan like so. So it's going to be heavy all the way around the outside. And then two interlocking L's. So that's what the shape looks like. And that is the solution to that question. Perfect, perfect. Good stuff.